Sure guys, quick update on it and then on the solar installation and design course engineering this week. Um Today, this is Thursday, so it's day 4 of the course. Today was the day of ilento lena installation and wiring. So sinyukile went up to ilento lena i-roof yase-DUT. Okay, so masifika kwi-roof yase-DUT, donsa ama-panel, kushaya ama-inspection ethu nama-panels nama-wiring ama-panel, lay them down on i-roof structure esiyinikeziwe to practice on. Did the wiring yawo sawafasa, of course sawafasa, did the wiring yawo nizobona nawo ividiyo, did the wiring yawo lawo ma-panel awo i4. Took i-wiring yawo lawo ma-panel i4 out to inakhuzana what you call i-DC combiner box. Senza leyo wiring leyo, sasuka from i-DC combiner box sashona kwi-inverter, senze wiring ye-inverter, connected the inverter to the back to the AC DB. So saqeda i-AC DB sabuya senza ngalana to ilento le sa-connecta i-battery yakhona, connected ama-comms, fired it up, tholakala ukuthi kuyasebenza, and basically that's it. Sakwazi kanjalo-ke, saze kanjalo ukuthi ilento le installation yamasola yenziwa kanjani in practice, ngoba besenza ama-practical of course. From there sasuka lapho sashona phansi back to class. Masifika in class safike saqaqa amanye ama-AC amanakhuzana ama-DC combiner box, sawaqala phansi, wonke umuntu ebezenzela yena, okay, to make sure ukuthi uyakwazi ukuqala uphinde uhlanganise i-DC combiner box. Qeda lapho sadonsa amanakhuzana what you call it, ama-ACDB boards, that's ACDB board, qaqa uphinde uyihlanganisa futhi, and samasterisha kanjalo ukuthi leyo zinto lezo zenziwa kanjani. So guys, akunzima, not gonna lie, akunzima, especially uma senza ama-practical. Okay, so ezinye izinto uyayibuza bit because like, not gonna lie, mina akaze ngezogesi before in my life. So izinto ey'ningi bengiyibuza manje i-conduit bethu, like they kept coming up with lamagama lawo engingawazi, you know. Mina bambeza i-class yini leyana, you know, but I never felt like ngiyahluka, you know. Ubuza nje yini leya, that's pretty much it. So yeah, so mawufuna ukufaka ama-solar panels and stuff, I got you. Anyways guys, mangabe interested, again ilink ngiyifakile in one of the videos bit. So yeah, mangabe interested, get a link, go do it. Alright, shap of it.